What is it, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have the Electrode V box to open. So I believe there's 4 booster packs in here. Yes, there's 1 promo card, 1 Electrode foil card, 1 oversized card, and 4 booster packs. Right, we're gonna open this up. Let's do that now. Alright, let's do it. As always, I don't keep the box, so we're just gonna rip straight through all this. Just chuck that over there. So we got the hollow Electrode. It's looking nice. Gonna put that there. We also have the Electrode V. Put that there. We do have the big cards as well. Looking awesome. And we do have 4 booster packs. We have, oh no, we have, wait a minute. Hang on a minute, guys. I gotta check something a minute. Oh. And this is random. So on the box, it says 4 booster packs. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did we just get 1 extra pack for free? Or did they make a mistake? That's confusing. Alright, we are going to open Brilliant Stars first. Alright, let's do this. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got Energy, Primplop, we have Kindler, Double Turbo Energy, we have Axu, Spirit Bomb, Clink, Sneasel, Turtwig, we have Reverse Hollow Corefish, and we have Professor's Research Hollow. Oh, excuse me, Hollow. Wow. I'm gonna put that there. Put that one there. Yeah, that's pretty random. It's meant to be 4. Yeah, it was meant to be 4 booster packs, but we got 5 instead. Confusing. Alright, we're gonna go with Astro Radiance. One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we have Energy, we have Switch Card, we have Uxie, we have Overquill, Glameow, we have Puccina, we have Swinub, we have Quillfish, we have Petlil, we have Togekiss Reverse Hollow, and we have Arcanine. Okay, we've got 5 booster packs. We've done 2. And now there's 3 left. Wow, let me know in the comments if you've had that happen. Ever open a box that's meant to be 4 or 5 and you get less amount or more. Lost Origin now. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got a V-Star card. We got Kamala, Toolbox, Hariyama, Ducklet, Growlithe, Shellos, Shuppet, Horsey, Reverse Hollow Doctor, and a Laguna. Nothing yet, nothing good. Alright, 2 packs left. Can we pull anything good? Or is this going to be a bust? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Energy, we have Silcoon, we have Lady, Lampert, Bronzer, Gumi, Binnacle, Zorua, Ducklet, Reverse Hollow Rhydon, and a Porygon V. Right, last time this worked, last pack magic, can we pull something? Never know. Let's do this. Alright. We have Carbink, Nuzleaf, Relicanth, Lickitung, Clefairy, Wurmple, Murkrow, Binnacle, Reverse Hollow Arcanine, and for the last card we have is Stonjourner. So no last pack magic. That pretty much sucks. But I'm still confused that we had 5 packets instead of 4. Don't get me wrong, I'm happy about that. But it's a bit random. Let me know in the comments, like I said. Let me know in the comments if this happened to you. And yeah, as always guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.